Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best tiller brands in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Sun Joe Tiller. Sun Joe is a brand of power tools that is mainly known for making tools that can be handy in your backyard lawn. This tiller is present in the first position in this article as it is the most powerful option present in this article. It is much more powerful even than expensive models due to the fact that it comes with a highly powerful 13.5 amp electric motor. When combined with its tiller head width of 16 inches, you can expect this tiller to be easily used for heavy-duty tasks. Although, the build quality of this tiller is not something to write home about. Thankfully, the blades of this tiller are made out of steel that are quite strong for tilling soil. There is the inclusion of 3 brass spray tips for a great finish on innumerable projects. This professional-grade paint sprayer is equipped with these brass spray tips to present great accuracy and performance. These spray tips offer a consistent spray pattern. Moreover, they resist wear and rust. Number 2. Our second best pick is Earthwise electric tiller. As you can tell by its name, Earthwise is a brand of power tools used for working with soil just like a tiller. This tiller is present in the second position in this article as it can be used for both home usage as well as industrial usage. This is possible due to the reason that you get an 11-inch tiller head width with it. Such a tiller width offers a great balance between size and performance offered by it. Similarly, the electric motor of this tiller is rated at 8.5 amps that offer a great balance between power consumption and performance offered by it. This garden tiller cultivator is ideal for small to medium-sized gardens in your home. It has a powerful electric motor that delivers gas-like power without gas or fumes. This rototiller electric has a planet-friendly and lightweight design that makes your outdoor tasks easy and hassle-free. You can use this tiller for soil maintenance, starting a new garden, refreshing your old garden, and preparing your soil based on the seasons. This electric cultivator tiller keeps your soil well aerated while preventing weeds from growing around your plants. Number 3. Our third best pick is BLACK+DECKER tiller. There are a lot of power tool offerings from BLACK+DECKER, most of which are quite affordable and made for a variety of uses and applications. This cordless tiller is the cheapest option present in this article. And even though it is an affordable tiller model, it is completely cordless due to its battery system. When you also consider the other features offered by it, it makes up for a great value for money option out there. Since this is a cordless tiller model, it uses a battery system for its power requirements that is rated at 20 volts. While this battery system is quite decent for most users out there, the same cannot be said about its tiller head width. As you only get a 7-inch tiller head width, this tiller is more ideal for simpler requirements and not for heavy-duty usage. Adjustable, soft grip auxiliary handle, telescoping tube, and upright positioning maximize your comfort and reduce fatigue. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Scott's 16-inch corded tiller. From mowers to pole trimmers, the brand Scott's has several captivating outdoor tools. The corded tiller we have here comes with a powerful 13.5 amp motor that can work through rigid soil effortlessly and can even endure small obstacles such as small rocks, twigs, and roots. This compact-sized tiller measures 40 by 16 by 40 inches in dimensions and 13.6 kilograms in weight. This means you can effortlessly handle the tiller and move it conveniently. It is designed with rear wheels and flip-down style for hassle-free transportation. Additionally, the cord comes with a retention hook that prevents entanglement of the cord and interruption in mobility. The tiller is given 6 heavy-duty tines that are also adjustable in accordance with the workload, and it has a cultivating width that is adjustable between 11 to 16 inches, which helps you effectively maintain your lawn. It is an environmentally friendly machine, ensuring no emission of fumes and noises during its entire work time. You are assured of great convenience and savings as it does not require any oil or gas or even maintenance hassle. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is One Electric Tiller and Cultivator. The brand One has robust and trustworthy machinery that would help you take care of your backyard or cultivation. The efficient tiller we have here from the brand One comes with a powerful 7-amp motor that can make rotations 380 per minute and effortlessly till all kinds of soil thoroughly. This lightweight and decent-sized machine weighs just 10.9 kilograms and measuring 15.35 by 12.8 by 20.25 inches is highly portable. For better navigation, it is provided with a sophisticated handle system, and its 5 5/8 inch wheels that are also removable make it easy for the machine's mobility and storage. It comes with 4 steel tines equipped with a set of 16 robust blades for effortless efficient cultivation. The machine can smoothly till soil and weeds covering 14.2 inches width and depth of 8.7 inches. Furthermore, if the machine comes in contact with heavy obstacles, its overload protection halts the motor to prevent damages to the machine and its blades. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.